is in Manitoba.
Grain, according to what the quota was. Say they opened up a 3 bushel quota on wheat. And I remember selling oats, bringing it in there for 43.5 cents. So I'm just getting to the age where, well, I think maybe somebody else can take over.
Well, you're doing such a good job, yeah. You need.
This is the man lift.
This light on here every summer between different poles and different times. And I guess, are you familiar with Highway 83 north of Inglis?
Yeah.
See, this is the ski hill there.
Okay.
That's a boarding house. Like before Inglis existed, like the Mississippi town site was down there. There was a gristing mill down there, a flour mill, I believe a creamery.
And that's what's left, because we were gonna drive that way.
And that was to go straight north of here.
Is there any old houses still standing? Or?
Oh yeah, I think there's still some people living in Sept.
Well,
If you think this, I believe it was 582, I think that takes you straight to the other one.
wow.
These are some of the agents that worked here.
Okay.
You know what the next thing's gonna
They had them in the elevator agent's office.
Okay.
It hasn't been here because in winter, you know, how cold it gets in Manitoba. You know when it was.
Yeah.
It was very warm.
be. I'm being videoed.
It was a hoist before with horses. Horses would come in, they'd drag it up to here. Say it was a sleigh, the runners would go in up to here. Then the draw bolt was pulled from the double tree,
Yeah.
and then he would lift the hoist up and dump the grain.
Wow.
Still in my pocket. So, it's only 240, that's not bad.
So now we're going to Dauphin.
Dolphin,
Okay, so we need a cell phone. We're going to find out where we are.
turn right to Langley.
Little Village Inn. Yeah. Probably would have bed and breakfast here when we were grocery store.
7 days a week.
Take a break. Coffee house. English country service. Houses aren't quite as nice as in some other little towns. Okay, cell phone gear. Look at the pretty church, but that's the Lutheran.
It's the same one.
It's just as
We're
pretty
going back
from
into
this side.
16.
Okay, done. Maps. So do we put Dauphin down now?
Sure.